Today is Wednesday, May 21st, 2025, and I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan. This is the Blue Water Bridge over the St. Clair River, and to the north of the bridge is Lake Huron. And as you can see, it's really misty. It's been a misty rain all day today. This is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And there's the International Flag Plaza to the left, right over here, where the Canadian and the American flags are flying. Okay, so I'm going to ask my Hey Google what the wind is. Hey Google, what is the wind?
In Port Huron, the wind is currently blowing at 13 kilometers per hour from the north.
It's blowing 13 kilometers per hour from the north in Port Huron. Hey Google, what's the temperature Fahrenheit?
Currently in Port Huron, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit in Port Huron, Michigan. Hey Google, what's humidity?
According to Wikipedia,
Hey Google, what's the humidity?
the current humidity in Port Huron is 93%.
It's 93% humidity in Port Huron. You can see the mist from the street light there, north of the Blue Water Bridge. The rain, it's like a mist. It was like that all day today. There's the International Flag Plaza right there. Okay, now it's a commercial, so I'm going to have to skip the commercial and go back to the International Flag Plaza, and I'll get in this. Hi, Joanne Marie Rumford, Port Huron, Michigan, in my apartment, and it's Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. Okay, so here's the time right there. Got the light from the ceiling light shining on it, so there's the time. It's a little after 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, daylight time. So I'll take you outside, and here I am here. It's raining. It's a mist. I don't know if I could get it in on the street light. Burning bush shrub. There's two of them. It's kind of dark, so you can't see it. The other one. And so I will. The patio light. And there is the street light there on Continental. That's looking east, and that's looking south, and that's looking west. And you can't even make it out because it's so dark. So I'll go out here. There's my apartment. Right there. And my garden flag right here. You can't see it, you can't make it out because it's dark. I should have a flashlight. But you could hear the rain going through the downspout over here. I'll get over here and you can hear the rain going down the downspout here. You can hardly see it. There's the Anglo-Japanese U, Anglo-Japanese U. Can't see it. There's the other burning bush shrub and the one in front of my apartment. Maybe you could hear the water dripping down through the downspout, but I don't have a flashlight, so I can't really see it in the dark. I have a flashlight, but I don't have it with me outside here. So taking the apartment again, or one time, I will only coming back in once, going out once. So there's the time now. I was on my computer a little bit there. And there, having my coffee. And here is Julius. Hi, Julius. He's got his honey and egg stick there, or egg and honey stick, whatever you call it. And then he's almost done with the swing ring. It's spinach topping there, the round. It's almost done eating that. Hello. So it's been really misty out. There's a Starlight Casino across the river in Point Edward. It's Canada, Sarnia, next to Point Edward to the right. Point Edward, south of the Blue Water Bridge. They don't have the, on the tower, they don't have the casino name lit up. It says casino on it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So I guess, as you can see, my umbrella is down there, right here. I had it open because I was letting it dry. The umbrella, I'm not going to open it because it brings bad luck. That's my umbrella. And I had it today going out to get my mail in the rain, or misty rain. But it's been misty rain all day today, so the umbrella is dry now, so I'll have to fold it back up. Okay, so hi again. I guess I'll say goodbye, good night. And there's the misty rain from the street light. You can see right there, the St. Clair River. And that's Edison Parkway, right there by the railing. And in the distance is the MOC building. You can't see it, it'll focus on there a little bit. Wait a little bit and see it. And the Municipal Office Center building. And there's the railroad tracks right there. You can see the ground is wet. This is on Stream Time Live. It's Port Huron. Let's see. It's on Port Huron, Michigan, USA. Stream Time Live. This video is going on 9 minutes, about 9 minutes now, 9 minutes, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. As you can see, it's very misty, rain.